Today, I'll be doing something different and adding a hair intervention to my shower routine with Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo and Conditioner because my hair really needs it. We're also going to do brows, exfoliate, apply a body mask, and more. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and let's begin. Before I hop in the shower, I like to give some care to my scalp and remove some facial hair because it's about time. So I'm going to begin my routine by brushing my hair upside down for 5 minutes. I normally just detangle my hair before I wash and that's it, but recently I've been having some build up and a lot of tension on my scalp during the day, and brushing only my roots in this way is pretty much like a massage. This not only is helping me in reducing hair shedding due to tension, also breaks up the build up so that when you wash your hair, it comes out super easy. After this, I'm going to apply a little bit of avocado oil on my entire hair to add extra moisture, and just in general, this is what I always do in my hair wash routine. And now, while I wait for a few minutes for the oil to get absorbed, I'm gonna take this time to remove my facial hair real quick because there is a lot. So for my eyebrows, I'm going in with tweezers to pluck the thicker hairs in between my brows. And also, I'm gonna pluck a few hairs on the sides, cleaning them up, shaping them just a little bit because I do love my messy brows. By the way, when you pluck a hair, remember to hold your skin firm so that you avoid stretching your skin. You'll thank me later. And now I'm going in with my brow trimmer to get rid of any peach fuzz between my eyebrows and on my upper lip. I just carefully go in circular motions. It removes the hair quickly without pain, and hair does not grow thicker, which is the reason I always use this. Now that I'm done with this, I'm going to hop in the shower, turn on the lukewarm water, and stay under the warm water for a few minutes to soak my skin and my hair before I clean both. I love summer, but the sun has been drying my hair so much lately that it feels a little bit dry. So this is the perfect time for a hair intervention with Dove Intensive Repair to restore the softness and the health of my hair. So to clean my hair, I'm going in with Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo. I'm going to use this amount and focus the rinse only on the roots. I like to be gentle when I shampoo, especially when hair is wet. You want to be extra gentle. So I'm using my fingertips to massage the shampoo all over my scalp for 3 minutes to ensure my hair is very cleaned before I apply conditioner. By the way, washing my hair with Dove is bringing back so many childhood memories because this was the brand I used to use growing up. Now I'm going to gently squeeze the excess water out of my hair so that I can go in with Dove Intensive Repair Conditioner. This is how much conditioner I use, and I normally apply from mid to ends of my hair, which are the parts that feel the most dry right now. I just want to say that I really like this conditioner. It makes my hair very silky. It provides tons of nourishment to my strands, and when it's paired with the shampoo, they work together on helping you to get trims less often because it improves the health of your hair. So if you're experiencing damage from using hot tools or from sun exposure or even from frequent washing, these products are going to help you to recover hydration and stop damage. I like to leave the conditioner on for 5 minutes to let it nourish my hair, and in the meantime, I'm going to take this time to exfoliate and shave my legs real quick. So for exfoliation, I'm going to use a coffee coconut body scrub and wash, which is going to glow, clean, and hydrate my skin at the same time. As you can see, I'm going to use a good amount to scrub in circular motions my legs, arms, underarms, chest, stomach area, and my hands. Now that I'm 31, I realize how much I have neglected my hands for no reason. So learn from me, exfoliate them weekly, and apply sunscreen daily. I'm obsessed with the smell of this scrub. It's so delicious that it makes me want to eat it. And the best part is that the scent remains on the skin even after shower, which is so nice. Now I'm going to shave, so for this I'm going to apply a little bit of almond oil on my legs and underarms and use my razor to carefully shave in a downward motion. I've been shaving in this exact way for about a year, and I gotta tell you, my legs never looked this smooth after shaving, like never. Before, they used to look bumpy and itchy after shaving. It was terrible, and also the pigmentation in my legs have cleared out, which I'm so happy about it. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to proceed to rinse out the conditioner with cold water for 10 seconds. I wish you could feel how smooth my hair is at this moment. It's amazing. With my hair clean and it smells so nice, I'm going to gently remove some of the excess water and then cover my hair with a microfiber towel, which is going to help in absorbing more water without stripping the moisture out of my hair. Since I have to wait for my hair to get a little bit dry, this is the perfect time to do a body detox mask. So for this detox mask, I'm going to mix bentonite clay with some apple cider vinegar, make a paste like this with my hands. And now I'm just gonna cover my entire body with this clay, including my feet, underarms, and face as well. This is extremely helpful when you have body odors. It cleans impurities out of the pores and overall leaves your skin super healthy and baby soft. For my aftercare routine, I like to focus on my hair, body, and face. So for my body, I'm going to apply an oatmeal lotion on damp skin to lock in hydration. I used to apply lotion as last, and no wonder why my skin felt dry fast. And now that I do it immediately after shower, game changer. My skin doesn't feel tight anymore, and I do not have the need to reapply lotion at night. For my hair, I'm going to apply my hair density serum all over my scalp to keep up with my hair growth, and then for the ends of my hair I'm going to apply a few drops of my coconut oil serum. Serums on damp hair help to seal the cuticles so that the moisture we put in the shower stays in the hair and not end up in the air. Now for my face, since I have detoxed it, all I'm gonna do is to apply hyaluronic acid on damp skin to nourish it, and after this I'm going in with my collagen moisturizer, apply generous amount all over my face and neck. My skin feels so clean, it's insane. Like, look at that glow. I really needed that bentonite clay mask. I'm so happy. Hopefully I'll stop sweating. I'm just gonna wait for my hair to air dry and then I'll show you my results. Okay, see ya. I just want to show you how beautiful and soft my hair feels right now. I'm a deaf girl now, so. And if you guys want to stop daily hair damage and extend time between your trims, I challenge you to give yourself a hair intervention with Dove Intensive Repair. Let me know in the comments below how your hair feels after. You know, I read all the comments, you know. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida. Bye!